size is it? I don't know.
These are made by Polaris.
Right. 116.
116.
160. Look at that. It looked like a boat motor.
Dude, do you want to see the most insane motor? Watch, come over here. Check this out. Oh, okay. Wait, this is where the Raider was too, right? You were looking. Check it out. Is this the one?
They weren't here. These two were over there too. You moved them over here.
Watch, watch. Come over here. Is this the one you're talking about? What's up?
Take it all before you.
Oh, you know, I didn't even notice. Look at that extended swing arm on this Busa. Look at this Mikla.
Badass.
Hey, quit staring at my bike, puto.
I don't know, 20 G's, man. I don't know.
Man, you just take some stainless steel to that,
Look at all the
dude.
etching.
Oh, yeah, dude. Look at that.
Look at the etching. That's where the money went.
That in this paint job, is say.
All this etching.
Yeah.
That's
Looking pretty firme. Look at this, dude.
I'd ride it.
Hell yeah, I would. Dude, look at the.
I know.
Look at these.
What's that?
What? They look like. It makes it look like cables.
Yeah.
Look at that. Dude, is this what you were talking about? Come here.
What?
The Raider.
Yeah. It's over here. What was over here last time?
Well, check out the Raider that I found. It's probably the one you're talking about.
We got a V-Max.
Yep. Dude, VMAX. World's fastest motorcycle in its day.
Still is.
Yamaha. Like I said, guys, Yamaha. Harmonically tuned. But wait, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? This, check out the size of this fucking. This looks like an oversized M8. The rocker blocks.
Tubes.
Yeah, those. I think those are fake because I think these are overhead cams. Those are just like.
No.
I don't think this is a push rod motor.
Yeah.
Is it a push rod motor? Is it? Wow.
The beast, isn't it?
Is this the one you're talking about? How much they want for this one?
65 is what it says on there.
Oh man, I didn't know it was this one. Holy.
Yeah.
Oh, the wheels are pretty crazy too. Wow. Dude, I stopped when I saw this motor. I knew you were looking for a Raider, right? I didn't know that it was this one because that motor just stood out. I mean, it's gigantic. Oh, that rear tire. It's like what, a 180? Something like that? 200? Oh yeah. This will put the power to the ground for sure. Whew.
That's the nicest thing about these Raiders versus the Furies. It's metal.
Look, hey, did you see these Triumph bobbers? Sick little. Dude, I just want everything though. Good to the last drop. What's your favorite beer? Mine actually is Coors Light because I am cheap. But you know what? Here's the thing about this, right? You already have your, well, what was it, your other bike? That Honda?
Magna and the Valkyrie?
Yeah, this is more like a Valkyrie sort of category. You already got a Valkyrie. You need a chopper, bro.
I have a 4-cylinder,
Yeah.
a 6-cylinder, and a 2-cylinder.
Yeah. Don't get me wrong. I dig this bike 100%. But you already have something in this category.
No.
Yeah. The Valkyrie is kind of like this. No?
No. Valkyrie is a great multi-purpose tourer. It's basically a hot-rodded fucking Goldwing.
Right.
Bag. This is not. This is a cruiser. This is a V-twin cruiser. Muscle cruiser.
Dude,
And
definitely looks like it could do some work.
it does.
Wow. That thing is nice.
Hydraulic clutch.
Oh, hydraulic clutch?
Hydraulic clutch. I remember coming here and looking at this, and as I can find flaws on anything, I don't remember, aside from age and wear, I didn't see any flaws like that. I didn't like I explained to you about the fat boy.
Right.
I saw something. Look at, I could put my fucking feet on here, and my knee's not hitting the air cleaner. Not at all.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's a little more well thought out, right?
Yeah, it's 113. It's a 113, dude.
113. Yeah, but this transfers power differently from like a Harley 113, I believe. Well, that shifter though.
Belt. Yeah. It's high. Somebody who used to wear big ass boots. You know, 'cause I have to lift my foot way up here to get.
Yeah,
So that, I have to get.
that's easy fix.
But
Because I think this is splined.
you just change it here, and then it rotates it that way. Right?
Yeah, because there's like, it's, this thing's splined. Yeah.
Yeah, right here it's fine.
Actually, you know, that wouldn't bother me. I'll be honest with you.
No, I can't get my on top of it.
Yeah, maybe like to here.
It's too fucking. Yeah.
Maybe like to about right here. But like,
I don't want to have to take my foot off the peg.
right. Well, if you like wearing boots, then you know, like this is the way to go.
It's easy.
Yeah.
That's it. Your brother's everywhere, man.
What is it? Oh, Roseman.
Fucking A, dude. I'm telling you. Comfort level, my ass is telling you. It fits.
So you would take this over a Harley?
Yes. Just based on when I get on it and position myself to go, it feels fucking perfect. You know, I like the forward controls, short of the shift of being in the right position. The air cleaner's not fucking pushing my knee out. And it's just the way it's supporting me right here. It feels way better than that. This would be fucking. I could totally fucking get used to this.
So you take this over the Furies?
Fury, I haven't sat on that today.
Huh?
I haven't sat on it today.
Let's go. Let's go sit on that Fury.
Really good job for them. If you know I was here. Woo!
Just to give you a scope. Let's go check out the Fury. Dude, I like this VMAX though.
Dude, that'll fucking kill you. That'll fucking kill you. 2017. This is
How
probably-
much do they want for
This
that?
is probably pushing.
15 grand, huh?
They don't make very many of these. But that's probably got 140 horse.
Yeah, out of the box, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, Uh-oh, somebody just bought
Yeah, congratulations. Yes, another biker is made, guys. Another, or he probably already was. But you know, like I said, always make more bikers. Your responsibility is to rev and to look cool on your bike, so there'll be more of us when we're gone. What? Dude, that's a supercharger. Look at this. What the?
Need that? Do we really need that?
Of course you do. Did this guy just buy this?
Huh?
Did that guy just buy this one?
No. I gotta get a piece of my buddy at work at the $3.
Look at that plate. Oh my God. Wait. Wait, no, this is a turbo. This isn't a supercharger. Holy shnikes.
Intercooler.
Oh, what?
I wonder what the spectrum is on that.
I wonder how much this thing costs. Only 14,000 bucks.
Yeah, I'm gonna kill you.
Dude, turbo Harley.
Is that okay to That's crazy,
Dude. Oh, so it runs off that gear right there.
Huh?
Check this out. I just poked myself in the eye with that. Nice job. Oh, hey, look, even has a wastegate.
That's nuts.
Dude, they got everything here, dude. You got a Grom. Oh, it's not a Grom.
No, that's that guy.
Kawasaki. All right. Here you go, dude. The Fury. I love the Fury, dude. I don't care what anybody says.
Man, when you sit on one of these things, talk about love. But I'm telling you what, it's super.
I gotta sit on one of these too.
Yeah. I think the soccer one would be way better.
Dude, you know what? I don't feel weird on this thing. The front end feels a little bit heavy, only because of the rake and stretch and all that stuff, but man, I've ridden worse. Oh, look at those foot pegs on that thing. Those are weird. Dude, I would rock this Fury, dude. Yeah, all the Harley guys say, "What are you doing, motorcycle boy? You're on a Fury."
But see what you get though, what you get with these is
Oh, these are all plastic?
see this?
Oh, that's plastic too, huh?
Everything's flat.
That's plastic.
Front fender's flat.
A lot of plastications going on here.
Which isn't bad.
For $7 grand? Well, $8.79.
It's not gonna rust.
Yeah.
I found out what this is. This bothered me the last time I was here. Oh, they fixed it.
What?
This was hanging down here.
What's this? The breather to?
Yeah. The outgases from the cylinders as it's running.
Okay.
And it needs to have vent from the.
Right.
Yeah, it's this.
They got these little shorty exhausts.
Can't really see the bluing.
Yeah, I could see, like, dude, the back of your heel
Right
would
here, yeah.
fucking heat the
Yes.
fuck up with this shit, dude.
Sounds great. So it comes with fast track.
Dude. Dude, you know what? The riding position on this, when I sat on it, it is comfortable. This feels better than my Harley, dude. I'm not gonna lie.
Ergonomics not gonna
Yeah, but it ain't a Harley, brother. Who cares?
Liquid cooled.
Liquid cool. It's a
No.
dude. Look at the size of that rocker box.
Yeah.
That thing,
Fucking huge.
look,
And
I
you can
just
see
screwed
the
it
whole
up.
thing, which is awesome. You know? But yeah, see, little radiator. Keep it cool.
Oh, dude, this is fucking,
Dig the color.
this is cool as hell.
Shaft drive.
Dude, just rock it as is, dude. Oh, what am I gonna do? Rake and stretch my bike? Done. How am I gonna make it to be more reliable? It's a Honda. This one's a 2020.
Yeah, it's only got 2,078 miles on it.
2,078 miles. That fucker's brand new.
Barely broken in.
Dude, and it's got this gigantic rear wheel. What the heck? That's a 4. Is that a 425? I think it says 425. What? What does that mean?
No, I think they're at 200. Great luck.
See, it goes to show what I know about motorcycles. You don't know shit, motorcycle boy.
Yeah.
Fiore. I dig it, dude.
I'm telling you.
100% dig that bike.
Has a passenger. Stock exhaust.
Dude, Amazon suction
I
cup
like
pad.
I know, that's all they deserve. A little meat tenderizer.
This is just amazing. Look at this, guys. Harleys, Hondas, jet skis. Goes on to that side. Six all evil Knievel. Got the old red, white, and blue. America. Love it. Oh yeah, and then there's, hey, you think the airbox is gonna get in my way?